Hello, Linux Underwear here. This is a response video to Matt Weber from channel The Linux Cast, and his video Linux Mint is a useless distro. Word of apology to my subscribers because you've got notified about this video yesterday and I have decided to re-record it to say a bit more. Okay, so Matt, you said you doubt the reason for Linux Mint existence. I strongly disagree with you. I think that Linux Mint is very important and it works very well for many users. I feel best on distributions that are based on Debian. I started with Ubuntu with Debian based, then later on I was using Debian for a few years, and once again years later I tried Mint, using it for five or more years now and very happy with it. I think it's a way more polished version of Ubuntu, faster, less bloated and looking nice. So actually I don't think that you should expect like revolutionary features from every distribution. For many users, a distro that is very stable, reliable, fast and just works is way more than enough. And I don't use Mint because it's easy, simple. I wouldn't have problems setting up Arch. I was using Arch along the way for like over 1.5 years. I started with Wombat, I believe it was 0.6, if I'm correct, maybe I'm wrong, it was a long time ago. And I didn't really like it. I mean, at first it was okay, but it didn't make me stay with it. I just feel better on something Debian based. So I think Linux Mint is a very solid distro, and saying that it's useless with so many happy users, very satisfied with it, it's very disrespectful for your viewers, and it was your choice. You uploaded something like this. I think it was a mistake. Of course, everybody has a right for their own opinion. You also said a few words about Linux Mint Debian edition, and I think this project is also very important. It doesn't make normal Linux Mint unnecessary because it's different distribution, but I think it's, first of all, it's very interesting, and second of all, it secures the future of Mint just in case something bad happens with Ubuntu. Either it goes the wrong way, nobody likes, or it's not there anymore. So I think it's also a good project and should exist. Later on you said similar things as you said about Linux Mint, about Cinnamon, and you said it's similar to Mate, if not alike. I think both desktop environments are very functional, solid and very stable. I use Fluxbox because it's my window manager of choice. I use it for years. I'm very happy with it. Although on my family members' accounts I use Cinnamon and it's working well. And as far as I know, you like rising the desktop and you like using tiling window managers. So even if you look at them, look how many tiling window managers are out there. Some are very different from one another and some are quite similar, and even now there are users who prefer one over the other. So same with Mate and Cinnamon. Even though they are similar, have minor differences, there are users who prefer Cinnamon and there are users who prefer Mate. So I like saying one day, oh, there is no reason for Cinnamon to exist because it offers nothing new, which is actually not true. It's like very, very arrogant in my opinion. I also get the impression that you weren't like really prepared for this video, as there was this funny moment where you were looking for system preferences in Mate and you were unable to find it, and then you went like, haha, it doesn't matter. Like, I think if you saying something that can, like, I don't know, offend a lot of users, you should be more prepared and be able to see a shortcut that was like 1 centimeter to the left from your mouse pointer. But it was your video, your work. What else? I think that's it, actually. I didn't like very much you saying that Mate menu is very important and it may be the reason for existence of the whole thing for new Linux, for new Windows users moving to Linux. Actually, you recorded this video in 2020, and to be honest, from my point of view, moving to Linux was never easier, and it's more and more easier with every year. New users have everything now. They have Steam, they have Lutris, they have Flatpaks, snaps, app images. So saying, and I see you as very experienced Linux user. So when a very experienced Linux user says that, oh, this many may be the reason for existence of the whole thing and Mate and stuff, because it is making moving from Windows easier, it's like, oh my gosh, like, are you serious, really? I know it wasn't, I hope you wasn't very serious about it yourself, because it was a very silly point you made. And so that's what I think. I think this video was just unnecessary. This video may have offended a lot of your viewers. I'm not really offended. You have your opinion, I have my opinion. I'm just sharing with you. I don't really care, because I am happy with Mint, and that's it. And I wish you all the best. I think you make very good content. I just think this video was not very necessary, not very needed, and did nothing good among your viewers, and probably some of them left or just felt like they are not welcome, and that's never a good thing. I think Mint has a reason to exist. Cinnamon Mate also has a reason to exist. If something like Mint or Mate or Cinnamon are slow, very buggy, very unstable, you may have a point. But saying that something doesn't have a good reason to exist because it doesn't bring any revolutionary features, it's just very big misunderstanding. So wish you all the best. Thanks for watching.